Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth help-to-your comparison review between these two AI code assistants, between Firebase Studio and Replit AI. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about Firebase Studio in 2085 is a Google AI powered development hub, blending BS code like IDE with backend tools, hosting, authentication, and the database all in one place. It lets you spin up app quickly with Gemini agent, generate code from prompt or design, and deploy directly to Firebase with a minimal hassle. This makes it especially strong for startup and developers building full stack or mobile app who want everything under one roof. Replit, on the other hand, is more versatile and community driven, offering instant coding in multiple languages, real-time collaboration, and fast development for side projects or learning. It's simple and accessible, but can feel limited for large-scale production, app and stability and safety concern. So, in conclusion, Firebase Studio win for serious app builder who need integrated backend power, while Replit remain better for quick prototypes, education, and experimenting. And that's it.